And when we started in the early days, we started with development kits. So we launched a Kickstarter campaign for a dev kit for prototyping, and had the idea that if we launched a development kit for prototyping, that eventually people would build real products with the platform, and that would end up being the business. Essentially, is like, once they go big, then those are our customers. And that is, if we look at where we are today, 10 years after the initial Kickstarter campaign launch, that's exactly where we ended up. The business today looks like the thing that I put on slides in my first demo day when we were in an accelerator program. But the path that we took from there to here couldn't have gone on more detours. It sort of took a while for us to figure out how this market works, how our customers work, what the thing is that they actually wanted. We came around to it eventually.
Yeah. So essentially you could basically put a little mini computer in almost anything. So like you said, a hot tub or something like that.
Yeah.
So tell me about some times when you were challenged at trying to build out this business. Cause I mean, convincing somebody to put your piece of hardware into another thing that somebody has to sell is pretty hard, I suspect.